we are out again in Vietnam Street. Bongga. Ho Chi Minh City Book Street. Hi mga sis! So this is our day 2 and maaga-aga kami ngayon kasi ang call time namin sa cooking class namin is 9:25 AM. So it's currently 8 AM and malapit lang naman. And by the way, ito yung labas ng aming hotel. Wait, let me show it to you guys. Dahil hindi ko pa ata napapakita sa inyo ng umaga. So ayan, kita nyo ba mga sis? Skin Garden Apartment and pababa, ganyan ang itsura niya. And habang nag-aantay kami ng Grab, ayan, ipapasok ko kayo mga sis. So ganyan yung itsura niya. O diba? Very ano siya, very naturey. Iakyat ko kayo dun. Ganito yung itsura niya kapag umaga. Actually, meron sila ditong bar or coffee shop. Tapos may pool, nandun yung pool area nila. And then, this is their lobby. Diba? Very nice. Ayan. Pwede rin dito mag-work. May mga nakikita ako ditong nag-work. Ayan. So, if you are working from home or remote kayo nag-work, perfect dito mga sis. Ayan siya. Diba? Tapos, swimming ka lang dyan. Ayun lang ang lobby ng ating hotel. Next time, or mamayang gabi, kapag may time kami, iaakyat ko kayo dun sa rooftop nila. Kasi meron sila dun pa city lights. Let's see kung maganda din. Ganito yung neighborhood dito. Ang kulit mga sis kasi para siyang literal na residential. Pero biglang Bogs, may apartment or hotel. Tapos ayan siya, yung sinasabi ko kagabi mga sis. Every morning, may mga tables and chairs dyan. Coffee shop din ata yan eh, no? Tapos usually ng customers nila, parang yung mga taga dito din sa kanila. Parang every morning dyan sila nag-aano, tipon-tipon. We're just waiting for our Grab. Ayan, si Leo yung ating taga-book and taga-maneuver dito sa Vietnam. Medyo gloomy yung weather right now. Kahapon mainit eh, pero ngayon, ang lamig ng hangin. Sasabihin ko sana, maybe because maaga kami ngayon. Pero kasi mga sis, cloudy din. 8 pa lang.
8 pa lang pala ng Vietnam.
Ng Vietnam. So, sana hindi umulan. Kasi meron kaming scooter food tour later. Ay, hindi. Mamayang gabi pa naman siya. Pero kahit na, diba? So, we're here na at Mom Cooking Studio. But we're too early. So, buti na lang, malapit na pala dito yung Little Hanoi. So, dito muna kami magbe-breakfast mga sis. Check lang namin yung vibe here. Let me know, Mal, kung saan mo gusto. Dito or doon? Doon. Okay. Mas bet daw ni Leo dito. So, this is Little Hanoi. Let's go here. Open, Mal. Ganda. Upstairs daw tayo mga sis. Anong meron dito? Yes. Here. Okay, binigyan tayo ng menu mga sis. I want this.
So it's your broken rice first.
You can share. So you have a sugar. Feeling ko ito na yung aabot mo sa usawan. Hi mga sis! So we are here at Chobintay Market. Galing kasi kami sa The Box Concept pero onti lang pala yung stores doon. Onti lang. Compare dito, mukhang malawak dito mga sis. Ayan na. Okay, mabubuhay ba bago makauwi? Dahil mas mura daw dito ang bilihin. Let's go guys! May napanood kami sa TikTok kung saan bibili ng t-shirts. Sabi nila upper left. So lakad tayo. Left. Yung side. Guys, usually yung shirts nila is 100 to 120. So, kapag may makita na kayong 90, mura na yun mga sis. Ang nakita namin na lowest is 95. Yun yung alam mo.
How much? Ay, babalik pa ba tayo dito? 470.
So, we get
How much?
this.
Ay, babalik pa ba tayo dito? 470.
Dahil super cute. Ito. Good evening na ba? Anong oras na? It's 5:30 p.m. here in Vietnam. And meron kaming food tour ngayon. Sasakay kami sa scooter. And we're so excited for that. Dahil magta-try kami ng mga Michelin food or Michelin restaurants. I'm not sure. Pero ang alam ko, Michelin food. Yung mga itatry namin is local Vietnam foods. Yung mga authentic foods nila. So, we're so excited for that. Kanina, after namin mag-cooking class, namili lang kami ng very, very light ng mga t-shirts and all that na susuotin din namin dito. So, pumunta kami ng The Box Concept and maliit lang pala siya. Parang mga tiyanggi siya pero maliit lang siya. Nauntian kami sa choices doon. So, lumipat kami sa Bintay Market. Doon mga sis, sobrang dami talaga ng choices. Like yung t-shirts, isang floor yun. Tapos may mga sombrero. Basta mga pampasalubong mga sis. Perfect na perfect doon. And then yung t-shirt na nabili is ano ba ito? Matalsik pa yun, no? Yung t-shirt na pinakamura namin nabili is worth 95,000 dong. So, kapag kinonvert yun, ganito lang yung presyo niya mga sis. Ayan. Mura na siya kasi yung iba, binibenta siya up to 150,000 dong. May 120,000 dong. Ayan, it really depends talaga. So, much better doon if pampasalubong dahil murang-mura. 95,000 dong lang siya.
It's been a long week, trying to make ends meet. Going nowhere fast, I'm so tired of the same routine. No use in walking the line, let's push our cares away. That bottle's calling our name, and we ain't leaving till it's dry. We're about to get our minds right. Yeah, we can keep it going. Oh, 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 oh.
this together, and this one we combine with the pork. And you try with this one, chili sauce.
Ah.
Okay. You make the video for TikTok or the YouTube or just memories?
TikTok.
TikTok. Now I got some video on TikTok from a Filipinos, and they do a shopping haul in here. In here, it's very famous for shopping for women. So they do the shopping and they do shopping haul there. And with the tofu, and you can try it sweet from the crab and all the sour from the tomato.
First stop pa lang tayo.
First stop and we are already full.
I think this is 7 stop, right? 7 stop.
Seven stops.
We're about to get our minds right. Yeah, we can keep it going all night. Yeah, we're gonna drink until it's dry.
The reason we have this area and the local people living here for a long time, for generations together. Because in the past they receive the house here for free, don't need to pay the money to become the owner of the house here until now, but they cannot choose the house. Of course, because for free, yeah. So we cannot choose the house. But other reason, in Ho Chi Minh City, I don't know how about in your country, but in Ho Chi Minh City, when you go some flats or the park mall like this one, the more expensive floor, it's the bottom floor or the ground floor, because they can open the business. So it's become the more expensive floor in Ho Chi Minh City. Now you can see the rent in the middle over here. This is where the local people take the motorcycle to the house. And how can they do it? Now I show you. I got two. It's the first one.
O, diba? Sample.
Yeah, we have the blue one right now. You can see the automobile. It's outside a lot, right? Because it's a restaurant. It's super noisy. Good like to open the business, but it's not really good to live in here because you can hear it right now.
Yeah.
So noisy.
Yeah.
And in the morning, it's a local market. And the local market around here, it's open about 5 a.m. in the morning.
5 a.m.
5 a.m. The local market in Vietnam is open real early morning.
Bang bang.
I can say, as of the moment, this is our second stop, right?
And everything is good.
I can say it's worth it. Talagang iniikot nila kami sa local areas nila. Like that, yung apartments nila.
Bang bang.
Get our minds right. Yeah, we can keep it going all night. Yeah, we're gonna drink until it's dry. Low lights settling in, the room is picking up.
Hi mga sis! So we're here at our third stop. And that is Bo. Okay, so let's go.
Yeah.
So you went one by one, or you want to set them all together? And we mix everything together. And now I split the leg. That's the reason I clean my hair. Share the salt together. And this one is super spicy. I don't put this one already. It's because this one just the level 1 of spicy. This one level 5. Okay? And for the weekend, sometimes we work for the whole day and a whole week. So at the weekend, we have a time to be lazy. Lazy time on the weekend. So it's outside. So weekends.
We're pouring out the good times, and we ain't quitting till it's dry. We're about to get our minds right. Yeah, we can keep it going all night. Yeah, we're gonna drink until it's dry.
We are here.
This is the last stop namin.
Hindi sa akin, binayaran ko naman ako. Spring roll ko pala.
May dessert pa.
Talaga?
And this one has a stream inside. And when you try this one, please take out elastic on top. The elastic, it is down to the right.
Let's drink until it's dry.
Hi mga sis! So, good afternoon. I think it's already 12 p.m. So, mag-check out na kami dito sa aming hotel. And tinur ko lang kayo dito sa kanilang rooftop. Supposedly, dapat pupuntahan namin siya kagabi. Kaya lang nga, anong oras na kami nakauwi? Sayang, gusto sana namin makita yung city lights. But just imagine, ito yung rooftop. Then, ayan yung view nyo mga sis. As in, kitang-kita nyo. Meron pa dito yung pinaka-highway nila. Ayan. For sure, super ganda din niya tuwing gabi. But yeah, that's it. At least napakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda ng rooftop nila. Akala ko mga sis, sa picture is maliit lang siya. Pero may pagka-spacious naman pala siya. Ayan o. Thank you. We'll wait here. Yes.
Yeah. Welcome to Kid Hotel. Let me help you with your luggage.
Alright.
Bữa này đúng không anh? Bên này.
Thank you. Ano man?
Ano na lang?
Na?
Naka-check-in tayo.
Sino? Siguro, dyan ang baba.
Yes.
Yes.
Leo.
Trina.
Rina.
Yes.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ito yung first full day namin na freestyle kami sa pagkain. At least may idea na talaga tayo.
Grabe, naubos mo yung ano kagabi? Guys, ang ganda ng lobby nila. Grabe, sobrang random ng utak, no? Ayan, ang ganda ng lobby nila. And it smells so good.
Smells so gold.
It smells so good.
Turkish clam. Yeah, for two, you will live here, right? Two suitcases. And when you go back, you can show it for me.
Okay.
Show you your luggage. Right. Here. Alright.
Thank you.
So after that,
Eto na guys, nandito na. Eto na, aariba na kami kasi ganito yung vibe na gusto namin eh. Yung hotel namin is malapit sa mga kainan.
Ayan, naglalakad lang kami sa kawalan.
Yep, and kung saan lang kami dalhin. Mahal, saan ba tayo? Or papunta tayo ng ano, yung The Cafe Apartment. Anong meron dito? Ito ba yung munisipyo nila? Sarap.
anytime.
Lahat pala pinagkaiba na lang, pinag-iba natin ng ano,
No?
paper bag.
Paper bag. You can get yours there.
Talaga? Scent love. Oops. Ano yan?
They do have 3 sizes, 10, 30, and... I don't know what Hi mga sis! Good afternoon. This is our day 4. Day 4 ba natin, Mal? Ang bilis lang ng araw dito mga sis. But going back, naka-check out na kami dun sa first hotel namin, which is the Kunkin Garden Apartment or Kunkin Garden Apart and Spa. So nandito naman kami, dito kami lumipat. This one is Kin Hotel. This one is a Tasich branch nila dahil maraming Kin Hotel dito. And we super love our room. This is their King Suite. And i-room tour ko kayo mga sis. From our room, ayan. Meron tayo ditong cabinet. Ayan, meron silang bathroom. Meron lang ditong safety lock, laundry bag. May blower sila, may weighing scale, and then they do have a full-length mirror. I love this mga sis. Kasi dun sa unang room namin, wala kaming full-length mirror. And then our luggages, pwede ka mag-charge dyan. Ito yung ating living area. May L-shaped sofa lang dyan, and then may coffee bar, may water heater, may TV. Ito, meron tong YouTube and Netflix. And then we have here the vanity area or the working table. And then meron lang tayo mini refrigerator. And then, our view mga sis is actually, ayan, ganyan siya. And then, we have here the king size bed. Super ganda ng color mga sis. I love everything about this room. And meron lang lampshade each side of the table. And then, yung mga ano nila, drawers nila, wala namang nakalagay dyan. And then, we have here our comfort room or the toilet area, the bathroom. Ayan, kung ano man tawag. May hand wash, nandito yung kanilang toiletries, may toothbrush, shaving kit, bath cup, comb. Meron din sila, in fairness. And then, sewing kit, nasabi ko na ba? Cotton buds. Yeah. And then, we have here the shampoo, conditioner, and then the bath gel. Meron din ditong towel. Ayan. And then, meron tayo ditong bathtub. May shower area. And the toilet area. Ayan. Super love. Ang ganda. Alright. So yeah, that's it, 'di ba? Super simple lang. And in fairness, hindi siya maalikabok, malinis talaga. And ang lawak ng room, mga sis. Ito siya. I'll show you ng wide angle. Ganyan siya. O, diba? Ang bongga. I love it. Okay, let's go mga sis. Itutour ko naman kayo dun sa kanilang rooftop pool. Para alam nyo kung ano yung mga amenities nila. Let's go! This is their... Ano tawag sa... This is their hallway, mga sis. Ito yung sinasabi ko, Mal. Disoriented yung mga carpet sa hallway nila. May nabasa lang ako. Kasi daw, it is meant to be na walang tumambay sa hallway. At magmadali yung mga tao na pumasok sa room nila. Kasi usually, kung mapapansin nyo sa mga hotels, magulo yung carpet nila. As in, parang magulo. Ganun. May pagka-abstract na. Basta magulo. Yung tipong gustuhin mo pumasok agad sa room. Yun daw yung psychology kina Amber Lucian. So, mga sis, this is 12th floor and they do have gym. So, punta tayo dito. Maliit lang siya, pero, ayun, may mga dumbbells, may walking pad, may bicycle, may ball, may mats, ayan. Very simple, pero yung mga basic needs mo is nandito na. Okay, let's go to there. Ay, by the way, may CR sila doon. Ayun, mukhang mabango at malinis din. So, let's go naman sa kanilang rooftop pool area. Okay. Parang may maraming tao. Ang dami nagsiswimming mga sis. Ayan, ganyan siya mga sis. This one is my bar area and then that one is pool area nila. You can order your food and your drinks. Hi mga sis! Good afternoon and we are out again in Vietnam Street. And nakakatuwa mga sis dahil nung first day kasi namin hindi namin napuntahan yung mga Pink Church and yung Book Street and everything. Ang maganda ngayon mga sis is nung nandito na kami, walking distance lang pala siya. So okay lang na hindi namin siya napuntahan nung first day. 'Di ba man?
Yes.
It's around 12 minutes. 12 minutes mo. O, diba? Makakapag-exercise pa ka. And ang ganda dito maglakad-lakad. Ayan. Can you see that? Medyo may pagka-luxurious yung mga hotels and kainan dito sa area na to. Mamayang gabi mag-ano kami. Mag-cruise. Gano'ng kalayo yung from our hotel? Papunta dun sa
20 minutes.
20?
Grab.
So, anong oras tayo kailangan makauwi mamaya? Wow! Bango? Okay mga sis, kapag nakita nyo na tong JW Marriott, malapit na tayo sa Book Street. Ayun o, yung color blue sign, nakalagay ay Ho Chi Minh City Book Street. Let's go. Ayan na mga sis, yung Book Street. Tada! So nice.
Ako dito. Yan yung makikita. Starbucks, Shinhan Bank, and BB Bank. Pag-withdraw si Mosing and wala naman daw additional charge sa GoTime niya yun na card.
Yes, kasi
BP Bank.
usually kasi merong 55,000 daw na fee.
55. 50 pinakamababa.
Yes, minsan pa 70,000 yung kanina na check namin. Pero dito sa BP Bank Express is walang fee.
Ayun, the box concept oh. Russian market. Later siguro. Is it okay? Ano? Okay.
Super cute ang packaging nila. Okay mga sis, so supposedly bibili kami ng coffee and banh mi as merienda namin. But mahal daw, sabi ni Leo. Dapat doon kami order sa may banh mi, pero 200,000 daw. Eh usually less than 100, di ba?
Oh, parang 30 lang ang budget.
So, ang naano na lang namin is coffee, white coffee. Hopefully masarap. Sarap? Baka mapait ah. Ang tapang, ayoko niyan. Hindi ako makakatulog dyan, yari tayo.
The box concept. Hala, ayun ba yung Saigon? Gusto yan ni Mama. Magkano?
Ha? How much?
1 million ice cream.
Uy, more better ba yung ganda?
Ganda. Okay. in 2 minutes. Yeah. You calm down. Okay? Yeah. Okay.
So we need to calm down now.
So technically, 250 to, it's 8 top. And ang ganda, may kasama ng ganito. Diba? Buti na lang nabili ko to. Kasi yung dapat susutin ko na dress ngayon is hindi namin na plancha, mga sis. Ang hirap niya palang planchahin.
Guys, nagpa-video kami and parang praktisado sila mga sis
Galing.
sa pagko-content creation. Grabe, kasi bawat table dito, as in, picture lang sila ng picture. Akala namin ng ano na tayo when it comes to video ng ganito, picture ng ganito. Pero hindi mga sis. Career. Talagang career siguro talaga nila yung pagko-content creation.
Job well done to.
Medyo naano lang ako mga sis, nahilo lang. Biglang ganun eh. Hindi nahilo ko dun sa ilaw, kaya nakatalikod ako ngayon. Nahilo ko yung sa mga ganyan, biglang ano, parang hindi ko alam kung vertigo ba to o sa astigmatism.